Howdy. I think you guys can tell. I'm gonna say you guys because that's what every YouTuber says, even though nobody's watching these. Oh shit. Hold on. Let me. I gotta plug in the computer. But yeah, basically I bet you can tell how the trade went today by my attitude. Yeah, it went good. It went good. It went pretty good. We didn't hit TP, and we didn't do the thing that we were saying that we were going to do. We ended up. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So we didn't do the thing that we said we were going to do, but you know what? That's okay. Why are we lagging? We are lagging so bad right now. We good now? Okay. We're good. We're good. We're good. Yeah. So we didn't do the thing that we said we were going to do. However, oh, wow. The lag is bad. The lag is bad right now. It's okay. Do. We're gonna lag, and it's okay because I don't really know what else is going on. Oh, still lagging. It's okay. Open the chart, boys. Do. Holy crap, the lag. Oh, okay. So here's all this stuff. Basically, ooh. Oh man, this is not good, YouTuber. Um, this is not how a good YouTuber starts their videos. I don't care though. I don't care because these are raw. I'm raw. I I'm raw. I don't like that anyway. Anyway. I should get that tattooed. Here we are. Okay. So you'll see it said, do not under any circumstance, do not under any circumstance move your TP close to position or do not move under any circumstance, move your TP or close your position early. If you hit stop loss today, you stay calm. If you do not move your TP or close early, you will get 1% better. We didn't do that, but that's okay. And we'll get into why that's okay. Today's bias was bullish. This is because SPY, we have an SMT divergence. On the fair value gap, SPY has already taken out a 15-minute fair value gap and started an uptrend. Whilst NAS has swapped liquidity of previous lows all the way back to from last year and long. Anyway, the bias was bullish, but as you can see, that did not happen. Also, we had high impact news today. Also, none of those confluences got hit. Let's see, what was I marking out here? Yes, this guy. So the original plan, right, was price coming opening somewhere around where it closed, comes up, taps into this bullish for value gap, comes up, inverses this bearish for value gap, and then we can long all the fuck the way up here. And that was what I was really hoping for, but that's not what happened. But that's okay because we ended up catching the good leg down for the day. Um, yeah, so let's go over the actual confluence of what the trade was for. So opened up, massive bearish gap to open up with price. I was waiting for price to tap back into this gap a little bit. And it did that. And on the way up, it created this bullish for value gap. And then I was waiting for a inverse of that for value gap, and then I entered, and that's exactly what happened. On top of the fact that it was in equilibrium, as you can see, I've marked out here. Price came up. Well, no. I remember why I did this equilibrium thing. I was like, maybe it'll respect this fair value gap and go longer. It did not do that. As you can see, it went, oh, motherfucker. It went down. We ended up going. I don't know how my trade here go anyway. Yeah. Okay. So we ended up entering on this candle, making a short. Putting stops all the way down here, which was the mistake for today. Ignore that. And price ended up coming down, and then chopping forever. And when I tell you I was shitting bricks, I was shitting bricks. Okay. And as it was coming down, I started looking for more confluence. I was like, why the hell is this doing this? Why the hell is this doing this? This area of liquidity, I'm not scrolling, I do not care. There was an area of liquidity right here, a previous low, resting orders, that whole thing. I was like, oh damn, price might be wanting to come down here, but it didn't. It didn't get it. This is just I just marked this out. Yeah, like I marked this out once this low was made. So we can just delete that to save some people's brains. And it started chopping up. I saw it come up, and then I marked out this bearish 15-minute fair value gap. And like I was like, okay, maybe it's gonna see bearish 15-minute right here. I was like, okay, maybe it's gonna tap off of that and come down and really like, give us some good price action today. That didn't end up happening. It did. It did end up coming into the fair value gap and respecting it. So I was like, okay, we're good. We're gonna keep take profits getting hit. Take profit is definitely getting hit, but it never did. It kept chopping, and right here I was like, all right, that's it, bro. I'm done. We're done. We're done for today. But the thing that I like to go over, the reason, the best thing that we can do for tomorrow is, I think I got a little too greedy. I was like, and I've been saying this in the previous video, like, you need to maximize your profits in order to sustain your losses, which is true. But at the same time, there's a Goldilocks zone with that, like you can't get too greedy. And that's what I think I did with this trade here. I put a huge TP here, which honestly, like if we had good price action today, it probably would have hit this. But something that I like to point out, you see this risk to reward ratio? Look at where this last area of liquidity is. A 1-to-1. It would have been a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. And it would have been just wicked right before the liquidity sweep. So that's where we got too greedy. We set our take profit too far. And again, we only did one take profit. We did not do multiple. We couldn't close position halfway. We couldn't do any of that. So how are we going to fix this? How are we going to make it so that we can maximize profits but still not be too greedy? We need to change pairs. This is too expensive. I do not have enough money for this. See, it's only 10,000 in here. So SPY. Oh, look at this. SPY, you're beautiful. I like you, SPY. We're changing to SPY. Tomorrow, we're going to be trading on SPY. Tomorrow, probably not going to place a trade. And if we do, we're going to very much de-risk. Might even go like 0.5% of the whole equity of the account. But anyway, yeah, so that I can take, I want to trade to E-mini micro SPY because this motherfucker is a lot less expensive than this motherfucker. So we can place a lot more take profits. Anyway, I think that like I said, like don't get out of the position early because take profits might be kit. Like you need to be like strong. You need to have good psych. You need to be like there. But like I had good psych today. I had very good psych today. I woke up good. Things went great this morning. Today was just great. Honestly, it was amazing. Um, so like we started the day with good psych, and like I feel like the bad psych would be like I would have exited here, and I would have been like, well, it's enough money, whatever. It's fine. I'm just not gonna lose. But I did. I held on, and I trusted it like a moron. And then I like, you know what I did? I'll come clean. Oh, this is sad. I took a screenshot and I sent it to ChatGTP. And I was like, should I exit this position? And ChatGTP was like, yeah, bro, you should exit that position. And I was like, all right, bro, I'm gonna exit the position. And I did, and I ended up getting that's what I ended up getting. We ended up taking profits. For today. Today, this whole week has been fucking green, dude. I'm fucking going crazy this week. Like, balance was free. This is today. This is that, dude. This one makes me so sad though, because like we would have been up $600. We would have been at 11,000 for the total account liquidity. Yeah, but like, look at this, dude. I'm so proud of this. Dude, 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 dude. Up 3%, up not even 1%, up through almost 4%, up not even 1%. But motherfucker, I fuck him in the green. Whoo, feel good, pretty good. Feel pretty good about that. So yeah, just to make sure that this week is good. Tomorrow, trade spy. Tomorrow, 1-to-1 risk or reward ratio. Tomorrow, 1% risk, if that. And that's it. That's really it. I mean, like, I might not place a trade tomorrow. I've been up this whole week. I want to save profits. Like if we get an absolutely amazing setup, if we keep this bearish trend, then maybe price will want to sweep out these areas of liquidity here, or it could sweep it again and go way the hell up. Anyway, maybe we inverse this fair value gap. Do we have any fair value gaps in the 15-minute time frame that we're? Oh man. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, we've inversed this guy. So we might be going really bullish tomorrow. Like we might open below here. And if that happens, I don't know where I'm going to target. If we open and tomorrow is the biggest gap I've ever seen in my entire life, then we might not place a trade. Like there's a high chance that we do not place a trade tomorrow. But anyway, yeah, that's it for today's trade recap. I got a lot of stuff to do, so I'm going to end this. Oh, yeah, like I said, today was a dub. Today was definitely a dub. I didn't do exactly what the hell I said I was going to do, but are we? Can you all hear me? Oh, shit. Yeah, like I said, I didn't do exactly what the hell I said I was going to do, but I I had good psych. I would say overall I had good psych today. I was a lot better than yesterday. Held the position even when we were going up, which is an example of good psych. Stayed disciplined. Exited the trade early without going up. If we did hit take profit though, we've been up $600. It's okay. It's okay. I am definitely going to end this week green. I know it. 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 If we place a trade tomorrow, de-risking. If we place a trade tomorrow, 1-to-1 RR. If we place a trade tomorrow, absolutely perfect setup on SPY. Should I do multiple take profits? I might not do that. Anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. That's it. That's all I'm saying. That's all we're doing for today, guys. Freaking yeah. I'll see y'all later. I'll see. What does Jacksepticeye say? That's gonna do it all for today, folks. My name is Jacksepticeye, and oh, 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 oh.